Happy Open Farm Day 2023. On this special day, our amazing Atlantic farmers and their families welcome visitors, offer farm tours, and share their knowledge. It's a great way to learn about our delicious and nutritious food and how it is grown. And I imagine each farm visit will inspire you to get involved in agriculture. The Government of Canada is proud to support this informative and fun-filled day through the Sustainable Canadian Agricultural Partnership. Whether you participate in person or virtually, I wish you all an open farm day to remember.